Hey, what's up guys? We've got another attempt at an unboxing video today. I'll try to keep this short. Last time I was holding the tripod, unboxing the Aylesworth Dracont. This time we have a tripod on a nice sturdy table. So we'll see how that goes. Apologies. Anyhow, you've tuned into an unboxing of this brand new box of Mitchell's Woolfat. And this one is a classic soap. This is my very first ceramic tub version. I had owned a refill puck in the past that was put into a small Pyrex jar, but I thought it was time to pull the trigger on a full-on, really attractively packaged classic soap here. You can see they really play up the lanolin here from sheep's wool byproducts. It's supposed to be really slick. It's also one that there are quite a number of people that have an allergy to it. I don't have a lanolin allergy, so not a problem. Also, it is made in England. You can see right here their address, Bradford, West Yorkshire. Nice box, kind of gives you that old-timey vintage feel with very simple but handsome colors. Also, Mitchell's Woolfat is affectionately known as the Fat in many parts of the community. I remember in my days on Badger and Blade, that's usually what it was called to and referred to. This one I purchased from West Coast Shaving, but you can probably find this at any major wet shaving retailer. I have already made a slit with my knife here just to make things a little easier. There, inside the box, kind of nice little fold here. Some tissue paper. There's additional foam here just to further cushion it, which is a good idea, given that it is a ceramic container. Get this out of the way. Some tissue paper, and the ceramic jar is further wrapped in some plastic. There you go, some crinkling unwrapping noises. It looks like I didn't get it all. Oh, there we go. Oh, sorry. I'm new to this. Closer look at the top of the ceramic bowl. Matches the logo there. Some more foam. And the actual soap itself. Nice simple jar, but very classic. I think if you were to just use like 1 or 2 soaps during in your rotation, this is certainly a great one to have given the packaging. There you go. 4.4 ounces of soap or 125 grams. The suggested shelf life is 36 months here. And of course, a listing of all the various ingredients. Besides the lanolin, this is tallow soap. The scent, let me just bring it closer to my nose on the other side of the camera. It's very pleasant. I mean, it's not, it's a light scent. It's a light, clean, soapy scent. Sorry for lack of descriptors, but I mean, that's what it is. It's clean, very, very pleasant, great for everyday use. So you'll be seeing this on the channel in a proper shave real soon. Well, that's going to do it for today's unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's great to have this classic in my shave den. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you real soon. Take care.